Hello and welcome back to another episode of 7 Billion Humans. It's been a while. That was a long break. Not for you, unless I screw up something the next 24 hours. But for me, I haven't played this in quite a while, actually. And it's not good. It's not good. Because I don't remember much. What I do remember from the comments, for example, is that I can... Was it this one? I don't remember the lever names, no. Which one is the one? Does it injection sites too? Nah, maybe actually? Also, no. I'll never find it now. Reverse line? No. Uniquely disposed? That's not it, right? I'm looking for the one... was before that for sure. I can't remember. It's too long ago. No, it's not this. Is it this? Also no. I hated this lever though. I'll never find it. Collation Station? Will Exterminator 1 maybe? Yeah, this one. One thing they could have done to make this whole thing I don't even know what the solution is supposed to be. Wait, I can't? What? I can't delete this one, because it's like a pre... Okay, whatever. Which one is the really ugly one? Is this the... They're both 9 commands, so I don't know which one is which one. This one just doesn't work, right? Yeah, no, we can definitely get rid of this one. Don't need this one anymore. Something I didn't realize I could do for some reason, for some very dumb reason, is I can do this. And that's totally fine and allowed. So yeah, I made life significantly harder for myself there. For no good reason. But we still got all the... I clicked... it really stopped dragging. But I can't help myself. Or did I click the right thing actually? I think I clicked the right thing. I thought I clicked this thing. I don't know. Neural pathways, year 28. No, I didn't. I did click that one. Yes, let's all take a moment to reflect. Do you feel that tingling? Yes, that's a feeling of memories forming in your little heads. So let's just make sure we really blaze a path through our little neurons. Come get these data cubes over here. There's exactly one for each of you. How nice. And shred them. What? How can you find your way through this complicated maze? Don't worry. The workers will figure it out on their own. Just watch and see. Alright. I don't know. I don't remember how anything works anymore. Pick up mem 1, give 2 mem 2. Very good. Yeah, so I do remember how to use the things. Very, very fine. Both optimized too. Alright. Or both optimizations. Biometric access. Let's hope they stay this easy for a bit so we can make some headway here as we approach phase 3, the orange part of the puzzles. Alright. Yes, congratulations. You have each been assigned your own personal shredder. You will find it directly below you. I know they all look the same, but please remember very carefully which one is yours. Your new nearest command should help with that. Using someone else's shredder would be impolite, and also fatal. With that helpful information in mind, please enjoy shredding all the data cubes. Is this gonna work? Feels like it should. Excellent. Beating the average, or the target by 1 second on average. But the only key is to not reassign the shredder memory thing. Actually, that doesn't really matter either. But it would be slower, so there you go. Fill the floor. Doing very fine here. I got an email. That's very exciting. I think I got one too. Probably give you a comment. Let's see, just going to print it out here so I can read it. Sending it to that printer over there. Workers, I need you. Please fill the floor with pages from that printer. Don't worry, I'm sure if you work hard and impress the right people, you'll get an email one day too. Alright, so go to the nearest printer. And is it take from? I guess it is take from. And then the nearest You can now select multiple directions inside your step command. Your worker will randomly select one of them to step towards. That is weird. I mean, this should probably work, but it's gonna be slow and bad. Do you run around like this? It might be for the command optimization. It's very slow and very bad. Because it relies on them randomly coming over here and down there, which is not going to be that easy to do. And they are always trying to take from and always trying to drop, so it's not ideal in any way. This is going to take forever to run. Wow. I thought it would be slow, but I didn't really expect it to be this slow. Maybe just getting unlucky. RNG's not letting us go to the right there. They'll never get down into that corner, huh? It still feels like eventually it should happen, but it's not looking good. They're stuck in the top left. Why? Finally. This is a horrible program. It's also a horrible floor layout. Oh, you're so close. Come on, pigtails. You can do it. Ponytails. Pigtails? I don't know. Just go over there. No! I don't want to stop it now because it should eventually finish, but one more. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Was that in 6 or a few? That was the goal. The slightly over time target though, with an average of 841. I wonder how long this one was, the one we just ran. It feels like it was very long, but maybe we were actually here, and this would have been like twice as long. Alright. So we're gonna make this faster for sure, right? So if we do... And we can't... They all pick up from here? Is that how that... Yeah, they always pick up from the top, right? I mean, that should speed it up, but I don't know by how much. I mean, it feels significantly faster up to this point, but now they are in bad spots again. It is a lot faster, but not good enough. How do I start? I could just take from Mem1 and then step to the right. And if to my right is Var, step down. And then step right again? Yeah, it's not good. So I would go right and then down. And then I would go right again. I don't know. This is not good. I'm trying to fill in this corner first, basically, is what I'm trying to do, but I don't like this approach at all. So if down is Var, I step right, and if there's nothing, I drop. Drop. And then, I guess, if right is a Var, or let's say if where I'm at already is a cube. I'm sure there's a better way of doing this, but I don't know. Let's just see what this thing does now. Well, it didn't quite fill it. They're bad. And it's the worst spot they left too. There's no way it's fast enough. It's pretty fast, not quite fast enough. You need to fill this stupid corner. So what am I doing wrong here? They are stepping right, and then they start stepping down. I start stepping right, but down. You go up. They all go up. Right. And then you just... Okay, yeah, that's not right. That's not quite what I wanted. If down is a Var, step right. If where you're at is that a cube, step up and drop. If where you're at is nothing, drop. If right is a Var, drop. Or data cube. No. Maybe. Yeah. That's better. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, okay, got it. It's 165. That's good enough for me. Very ugly code, but I don't care. Checkerboard organization. No more sloppy printing. Yes, I enjoy sophisticated data patterns. I'm going to print out an important document here. Would you please take its pages from the printer and fill the floor with a checkerboard pattern? That should leave some nice tiles unoccupied for browsing my document. I'm not going to step on my data like an animal. Okay. Beware of the renovations, watch your step. Yeah, there's some holes too. All the holes are on black tiles, right? Or I mean, they're not really black, slightly darker tiles, I guess. And we want to go on the white tiles. The problem is that these two are standing on dark. These three actually. Only these two are standing on light tiles. But I'll all grab from here anyway. Okay, so nearest printer is mem1, and then we take from mem1. They all take from up top, right? Yeah, they do. And then from there, we step onto a light tile, whichever one. Let's see, we go to the left. And then after that, we step in the random direction. That's either this or this or this or this. And then we drop. And then we jump. Is that right? No, they are. If they can't step, what is happening? They're just always dropping. That's not good, because let's see. The problem is that they left and then down and left and they drop. That's good. That's right. Up and right drop. That's good too. Something's already here. Something's already here, and then they step left, which is not good. So then they break the thing. Again, very ugly, and I don't think this is going to be the command optimization even. No, we're one over. And yeah, we take 107 seconds too long. Alright. How do I save a command? Oh, I just put this here. That's an easy enough fix, at least. Actually slightly faster too. Very nice. The last one was very slow. Okay. So obviously you only want to drop if it's empty. And else you just step again. I still don't really know how to otherwise optimize this one though. It's even not, yeah, it's not very good still. It's not far off. 24 seconds now. I don't know. I don't know. I could send him to a corner. I guess I'm you know I'm sending him to the left, so they start here, and they take a random step from here, so it's either here or here. So they start in the top left corner. That's always filled first because of that. The thing with the random direction, I can't like check for like, yeah. It would be way too complicated to do a thing where it's like if this is a bar and this is a cube already, go, you know, back to the right or whatever. I guess you could make this a random one too. That should spread me out a bit more. Yeah. That's just enough. That's good. Yeah, that's good thinking. Creative writhing. Adjectives, nouns, prepositions, articles, and Oxford commas. All critical components of clear, unambiguous writing. Please enjoy your new command. Writes. It allows workers to change the number on any data cube they're holding. Yes, you can now write anything in the entire universe you can possibly imagine, as long as it's a whole number between 0 and 99. Actually, prepositions, articles, and Oxford commas. There's the Oxford comma, yeah, very good. Just making sure it was actually there. You got a new command. Right, your workers can now change the number of the data cube they're currently holding. Make our, okay, I didn't read the first line. I was like, what am I doing? Make our data cube say 99. Okay. Do I want to go nearest here? I guess I want to at the beginning. Nearest cube. And then can I write mem1? Can I go? Yes, I can. Like, can I step? Yeah, I can go to mem1 and then write 99. But they might just go up again, right? Oh, I need to pick it up first, okay. But the nearest one is the one they're standing on, right? That's what I figured. But I need to see it fail, basically. What's the best way of doing this? Because it's like, it's down, right, down, down. Yeah, it's not the same for everyone. Down, left, left, down, down, right. Do they need to stay in the same spot? It doesn't say that, right? But yeah, they're still dumb, unfortunately. Oh, it's not random? They always go to the top one? Yeah, they always go to the previous one. Even though the other one is also the same distance. So it's not random, nearest? It looks like it's going up and right more than down and left. That is interesting. Not good, but interesting. Use this command to make a worker write the desired value on the item they are currently holding. And I can't say nearest to the cube that's 0. That's also not gonna work, I'm pretty sure. Because they're always going back up. They're never going to the right. That's so interesting though, isn't it? Yeah, here in the nearest cube is this one. Always. It's not sometimes this one or this one or this one or this one. I guess these ones could be argued to be further away, even though it's also one step since I can go diagonally. This is a weird one for sure. Yeah, this is a very weird one. It feels like it shouldn't be that difficult, but I'm kind of stumped right now. I don't know how to start it really. I could just ignore the nearest, but even without the nearest, there's no good way of doing it. I guess they're always going down and... Oh no, they're always going up. What, up and right? Not down and left. I wonder what would happen if I started from the bottom. That's probably not a good idea to do that. And if I do like a diagonal step and then go to the nearest cube. Oh, I could make... Right, if I go... M1 is the nearest cube. And I pick up. And then I already do... this again. No, that's not gonna help, is it? It's very weird. It's a very weird problem. I don't know why this is so weird, but it is. So... Can I just pick up? I can just pick up 2. I don't need to step 2. That's definitely a... yeah. So this would be the minimum thing for that garbage we fed before. Yeah, it doesn't work. Can't work. And we could just like do it here and then oh, because I'm doing it again here. But they're still going back to the previous one. How do I stop that? If it were just random, it would eventually just work, because eventually it would take this one and not that one, but they just always go back up. Always. That's such a stupid behavior. What do we do here? Because I can't do an if at all. Like I can't do anything with this. And I can't do if MM1 is... I guess I can do this if it's 99. And I guess that should work. But then they never do it again. I guess it should still be here. 2? I'm just gonna override it. I guess you could just do this. That's kind of silly, but it actually might work. Yeah, it does. Yeah. And it's fast, apparently. It's just way too many commands. So how do I make this? How do I make this with fewer commands? How do I get rid of 3 of them here? It's like these 3, but I don't. I can't do it without them. I'm very confused. What's the limit? 6? 6. Like, that's 6. I guess this is 5, not 6, but yeah. Like, how do I not have them be this stupid? 6 commands. I can't even do an if, because an if is 2 lines. And this didn't work either, right? Because you always go back down, or back up again. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Or left, right in this case. How do I do this in 6 commands? I don't understand. Because I need to pick up, I need to write, I need to drop, I need to jump. That's 4 of them. And the nearest is definitely the least amount of codes to pick up the cubes. That's 5, so I only have 1 more command. What's the one, like, secret genius command I need to do in order to not pick up that same cube over and over and over and over and over and over and over again? And I mean, just a step is not going to do it, right? And I can't do an if. I can't do if mem1 is 99. That's already 7. It was 6, right? Six. How? I must be missing. I must be missing something significant. I just don't know what. I don't know. Yeah, I don't understand this one. I don't know. We'll think about it some more, but not today. That's it. That's it for the episode 2. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.